ZenGo X Wallet app. The pros, the cons. ZenGo X promises to solve one of crypto's oldest problems, losing your private keys. But is it really the future of secure wallets, or just another gimmick? Let's take a closer look. Starting with the pros, ZenGo X stands out for its keyless security. Unlike traditional wallets that rely on private keys or seed phrases, ZenGo uses advanced multi-party computation, or MEMA-PC. This means your wallet is split between your device and ZenGo's server. No single point of failure and no seed phrase to lose. Another big plus is biometric protection. You log in using your face or fingerprint, not a password. If you lose your phone, you can recover access easily by verifying your identity with ZenGo. That's a massive relief for users who fear losing access forever. ZenGo X is also incredibly user-friendly. It supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many popular tokens, and includes features like swaps, staking, and NIF support all inside one app. The interface feels simple, clean, and intuitive, great for both beginners and experienced users. The app also offers live support, which is rare in the crypto wallet world. That makes it one of the most approachable self-custody wallets on the market. Now, the cons. Because ZenGo X relies on its technology, it's not fully open source. That means users can't independently verify all aspects of how their security works. Another limitation is custodial dependency. While ZenGo never holds full access to your funds, you do rely on their servers for part of the recovery process, which introduces a degree of trust. And while ZenGo supports many coins, it still doesn't support every blockchain, especially newer ones. In conclusion, the ZenGo X wallet is one of the most innovative and secure wallets for everyday users. The surprising truth? It bridges the gap between convenience and true crypto ownership, offering a future where forgetting your keys doesn't mean losing your wealth.